Here's the news of the day for March 20th of 2025.
Bell Textron has approved GE Aerospace's RADS-NG system for its commercial helicopter fleet, enhancing vibration analysis, component life, and passenger comfort.
The Vertical Flight Society announced the 2025 recipients of its prestigious awards, recognizing leaders in vertical flight innovation, aeromechanics, and historical preservation.
Dorset and Somerset Air Ambulance celebrates 25 years of life-saving service, with plans to expand operations, add a second aircraft, and extend to 24-hour coverage.
Safe Structure Designs delivered custom Bell 429 maintenance platforms to the Saudi Arabian Army, enhancing safety, efficiency, and mission readiness through a partnership with Jet Aviation.
President Trump has nominated Republic Airways CEO Brian Bedford to lead the FAA amid growing scrutiny following multiple air crashes and safety concerns.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.